Hello kiddos, welcome back again to Tiny Brainy Kids TV. Today we'll be seeing a topic. Our environment. Our earth has different landforms and water bodies like forests, plains, mountains, hills, deserts, rivers and seas. There was a big celebration in school for National Children's Science Congress. Everybody was excited. Students had come from many schools from all over India. They introduced themselves and spoke about the places they had come from. Let us see each places. Daniel said, I live near a forest. A forest has a large number of trees. The ground is covered with bushes and grass. Streams and ponds are also found in the forest. It is home to many animals like elephants, tigers, deer, lions, bears, and snakes. Birds like peacocks, doves, sparrows, parrots, and woodpeckers live there. You can hear the different sounds of animals. I like the forest. It is cool and shady. Forests are useful to us in many ways. We get wood, honey, fruits, rubber, and many other things from forest. Yum! Forest is very cool. Tarun said, I come from a farming family. We live in the plains. A plain is a flat land area. It is warmer than the hills. Plains are important for growing crops. Without growing crops, how can we get food? Farms get water from rain, rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. We find many animals like cows, goats, bullocks, buffalo and many kinds of birds there. I like to watch the birds. Kids, do you like to watch the birds? Kamakshi said, I live in the hills. A hill is like a mountain, but not so high. Hills are generally green and beautiful. It is also much cooler than the plains. People visit the hill stations, especially in summer. Udagamandalam, Ooty is called the queen and Kodaikanal is called the princess of the hill stations in Tamil Nadu. Our state animal is Nilgiri Thar. It is found in the Nilgiri mountains. Suleiman said, I would like to speak about the pond in my village. A pond is a place where water collects. It gets filled by rain. Fishes, insects, snakes, frogs, crabs, and turtles live in a pond. Flowers like water lily and lotus are also found in the ponds. A lake is bigger than a pond. Sultana said, I live near a river. I love to watch the river flowing. It starts its journey on a mountain, follows a path and finally flows into the sea. We used river water in many ways. Because of this, in olden days, people lived near rivers. Many kinds of fishes, crabs and birds live in and around the river. Sometimes boat races are also held in the river. My brothers like to participate in the boat races. Wow, isn't it cool? Gopal said, I belong to a family of fisher folk. We live near the sea. A sea is a large water body. The sea water is salty. We get salt from the sea. Plants, fishes, turtles, prawns and crabs live in the sea. We go fishing in the sea using fishing boats called catamarans, and fishing nets. Meva and Kamala said, we come from a desert area. A desert is a hot and sandy place. There are hills of sand called sand dunes. The cactus plant grows in the desert since it needs very little water to live. Camels are used for traveling in the desert. The camel is called a ship of the desert. Since we have very little water, we use it carefully. Even we must also use the water carefully. All the students were happy to know about each other's home and surroundings. They became aware that they were a part of the nature. They took a pledge to care for the environment and the nature life around them. Shall we also take such a pledge? And thanks for watching, kids.